Renewable and recyclable materials are essential for a circular economy. In a world of limited resources, we want to create a circular system where nothing is wasted and old materials become new resources. To make this a reality, we looked at the material waste flows that are taken back by our circular hub. Compact tabletops form a significant part of these waste flows. Today, about 5,000 compact tabletops are returned on a yearly basis. Compact is a very robust material. The technical lifespan of a compact tabletop is up to 30 years. The average period of use, however, is only 10 years. So the material is not being used to its maximum value, resulting in a high percentage of material loss. To close the loop and reduce CO2 emissions, we refurbish the tabletops to be just like brand new. At the end of their economic life cycle, compact tabletops come back to our circular hub. They undergo a quality control to check if they can be revived. When they meet our standards, they are transported to a local processor where a new top layer is applied. The now revived tabletops are ready for their next life cycle. This process leads to a carbon footprint reduction. By repeating it, we stay high up on the value hill of a circular economy, and we retain the value of the tabletops over multiple life cycles. A revived tabletop is a truly innovative circular solution for those who want to reduce their environmental impact whilst choosing a robust material with a long lifespan.